A related breaking update at the first cabinet meeting of the new Chief Minister, where several decisions are said to have been taken with the Punjab cabinet led by Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. In its maiden meeting, discussed on various pro-poor initiatives that will be implemented in a time-bound manner. Now, just a few months to go before the Punjab elections are held in the state in the year 2022. And during his first press briefing right after being sworn in, the new Chief Minister had promised that he's the Aam Aadmi and he will be doing everything when it comes to those decisions that will be made for and will be in favor of the Aam Aadmi, especially when it comes to the pro-farmer appeals, where he also demanded that the centre take back the farm laws. Going straight across to Amandeep. Good morning to you, Amandeep. Many of those new decisions that have been taken by the Chief Minister, can you give us details, especially when he said that the few months that he has as the Chief Minister, he will be working for the farmers, he will be working for the Aam Aadmi. Amandeep.
Well, exactly, Amita. This cabinet meeting finished late night around 11:15, and in fact, it was started at 8 p.m. yesterday. And even all three ministers, Chief Minister, including his Deputy Chief Ministers, they discussed several issues. And even those issues were entirely focused on the farmers and not the poor people. They include all the recent issues that how to provide the free electricity to the farmers and how to waive off the bills, water supply bills and electricity bills of the farmers, which was having a high pendency. Meanwhile, they have also regulated the deputy commissioners of each district to kindly address the public grievances at least 2 days a week. And even they have also released certain kind of schemes for the poor and the farmers. The entire focus now, Punjab government is focusing on the farmers as well as the poor people. And even they have also directed the officer to kindly bring the preparations for the next cabinet, that the motive of the next cabinet would be to waive off the electricity bills which are highly pending in the farmers sector, and even also to provide the free water supply to the farmers for their agriculture. So these are the issues that is on the top of the list for the Charanjit Singh Channi and his two deputy chief ministers. And in fact, now further all the things would be come in place just because they have already ensured that 18-point agenda would be resolved within 5 months, and in fact that the pendency issues will all be resolved. And even the most important point is that Charanjit Singh Channi has released during the press conference that he will be accessible to the Aam Aadmi and anybody can approach him for their own grievances. So these are the things that now further lined up, Amita. But meanwhile, the controversy has not ended up at this point. Appointment of Charanjit Singh Channi doesn't define that the entire Congress internal tussle is dying down. Just because now the fight has already started for the cabinet ministry. There are cabinet ministers' names that has to be finalized by the chief minister and PPCC president, and they have to prepare their own cabinet and allocate the departments to their own MLAs. So now another race has begun inside the Congress for the cabinet ministry for next 5 months. Yes, Anita.
Amandeep, for the moment, thanks very much for giving us that detailed update. So the cabinet that emphasized on laying a special focus on the core sections as well. And the new chief minister has also said when it comes to deliberation upon several pro-poor initiatives and to deal with the grievances of the people on a priority basis.